finish it, but I'm not mad about trying. Phenomenal. But I can use this for something else, too. Like what? My sparkly Nutella can turn my earrings to solid gold. See how pretty?
What?
That was unbelievable. Do my glasses.
What?
Fine, I'll try. Though I don't know if it will work again. Fingers crossed it will. They just sort of sank. No!
Oh!
For that, I'm gonna take away your likely very expensive tiara. Hey, that was so unnecessary. Agree to disagree.
What?
Whoa, a whole brick of gold. I'm gonna take this and run before it's too late. Stop. Now I'm richer than ever.